Hello everybody. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you array in JavaScript and the iteration with that array. I'm gonna open a file test.html. To start JavaScript, we'll write script language JavaScript. Browser will know this is the JavaScript. Array store one or more data at a time. We'll create a variable, suppose x, and we'll declare with array. This is array, new array, suppose 3 data. So x is now array. We can store data x 0 John, x 1 Smith, x 2 Mike. Console.log x. We're gonna test. Mistake console. We got data at 0 John, 1 Smith, 2 Mike. We declare as 3 data in the array. If we do more, see 1 2 3 4 console 0 1 2 3 4 data. So element is incremented in order. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 1 2 3 4. Now suppose we need 2-dimensional array. How can we declare this? We can do here like this. That will show nothing. Zero, 1. Now is not showing, that is error. So we need to declare again. At x0, we'll do again another array, and we will assign the value again. At 0. We we got data. Add 0, we have 1, 2. Zero, 1. So at 0 we have 0, 0 we have Smith, 0, 1 Mike. Suppose we want to declare more. One, Smith 1, Mike 1. Zero, 0, 0, 1. Smith Mike 1, 0, 1, 1. Smith 1, Mike 1. So in this way, we can declare multi-dimensional array in JavaScript. We can do here directly. That will not be supported. If we want a multi-dimensional, we need to declare separately at each object. This is a single variable and we need to declare as new array if we want a multi-dimensional array. Variable x, we can declare this is array, this is int array. We can set data as x 0, John, x 1, Smith. We're gonna test. At 0 John, at 1 Smith. We can also do here directly. We can set the where. This is also array. Same thing. At 0 John, at 1 Smith. Now I'm gonna show you how to iterate this with voice. We can add more data. My bill. Our data for is array.for is and function. In the for is function, parameter is another function with data and index. Data index. We're gonna define this. Console.log data index. We're gonna test add 0 John 1 Smith to my directory. Thanks for watching this tutorial.